Hope everyone had a great weekend. Hope you're ready for the week. We are very bullish on equities, so we do have one buy signal on the S&P. We're waiting for further buy signals on the other, three additional indexes. VIX is coming down. We'll take a look at all of that. Forex is moving also. We have a new rotation in Forex, which started Thursday, Friday of last week. Hopefully that continues this week. Okay, so good things are happening. Let's take a look at the markets this evening. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. All right, guys. So you guys know on the S&P, we do have a buy signal right here on the S&P. Okay, on the NASDAQ, we're still waiting for buy signals right at resistance. They're holding up well. On the Dow, also waiting for a buy signal. All right. IWM, the Russell, buyers are coming in, green candles, don't have a buy signal yet. But we're going to call for right now, right, a soft bullish. Okay. So we're going to call a buy signal, but not official buy signal. So we're starting to send out alerts to our stock boss traders, bull master traders, and bull master pro traders. Okay, so just remember S&P on the daily time frame. S&P, NASDAQ. Hold on, let me get my highlighter here. 1 second here, so that you guys can see my cursor more clearly here. All right, perfect. Okay, so right here, you guys can see buyers are buy signal here on the S&P. Buyers are coming in here on the Dow, right here on the Russell, the IWM, and then the NASDAQ here. We're starting to see more sectors, guys. We're starting to see more sectors turn blue and white. That's good. All right. So blue up. All right. Neutral. Right. And then down. So we went from down to then neutral to then buyers are coming in, so that's good here. That's really, really good for the sectors. VIX, look at the VIX, guys. Last week it was what, 15 and change, 16. Now it's at 1485. That's really good. So we're getting lower volatility in equities. All right, so that's good for the equity markets, good for stocks. Right, we like low volatility, very different from Forex. Right, we need low volatility in equities, so that stocks can move higher. Okay. In the futures market, we did get a sell signal on the dollar index. All right. So be aware of that, guys. We are shorting the dollar pairs right now. All right. So we do have a sell signal here on the dollar index. Wow. The E-mini, guys, right now in the futures market, that's down quite a bit. That's 1%. That's down quite a bit in the futures market. Keep an eye on that. Hopefully we open up, though. We want to open up for Monday morning. All right. We'll keep an eye on that. But the dollar gave a sell signal. Here was our buy signal here, guys, all the way down here. So markdown phase. You guys notice markdown, accumulation, broke resistance, buy signal. All right. Markup phase, broke support right here. Red candle. White arrow, that's our sell signal to get out. So we would have gotten out in here, got out here. Now we've got sellers coming in. So we should be shorting the dollar pairs. We'll take a look at the dollar pairs. We send out, like I mentioned, several alerts. The next support area, see, this is support here, guys, but the next support area for the dollar index is right here. Okay, so be careful going long the dollar right now. Okay. All right, sectors, the top sectors, let's see here. What was it? I think we said gold. Gold is breaking out with a buy signal here. All right, silver is holding. Energy is really pulling back. That's surprising here. All right, so it's we were looking at energy stocks, but boy, that's a pullback. So energy, here's where it made it all the way up to resistance right here, and then failed to break above resistance and is holding right here. So keep an eye on that. That's coming down a bit. Healthcare is setting up for a buy signal here, coming out of that markdown phase, and it's got really good support right here. So we should get a buy signal. Markets hold, continue to move higher We should get a buy signal, perhaps somewhere near where we get a previous buy signal in here. So any day now, we should get a buy signal. In healthcare materials, probably soon we might get a buy signal, right? Trading right at that support here. Green buyers are coming in, green candles, that's good. Financials looks really good. We don't have a buy signal yet, guys, but looking to break through that resistance, right? Markets hold, that should happen this week. Hopefully give a buy signal. Industrials, the same thing. So you guys see, markets are moving higher. Look at tech. All right, so technology broke through that resistance with a buy signal, pull back a bit, but still holding, getting out of that, right, that range right here, that consolidation right here. Utilities, all right, just holding here. All right, telecom give a buy signal. We talked about telecom. Look at that amazing trade in telecom. Buy signal here looking to break out. So although, it's not perfect yet, right? We don't have anything running like these. However, we do have some sectors that are setting up nicely. This one here is communication services, ComServe. All right, we have the high right here. All right, and a lot of these are, if they break through there, we might be in all-time high territory too, okay? So all we need is a buy signal here, bought here, sold here, right? Now buyers are coming back in. We should get a buy signal somewhere up in this area here as it breaks resistance. Consumer staples, nothing yet, still in the markdown phase. Real estate, nothing yet. And then consumer discretionary setting up nicely. Buyers are coming in. Previous trades did really well. We just need to break that downward trend line, get a buy signal there. So several, and look, if you guys look here, like I said, a lot of these sectors are starting to set up. All right. Forex, the Forex market, we've got, this is improving a bit. Right, we have a little bit more. Whenever you see this gray here, guys, in your system, that means we've got, those are new, right? Those are new moves. So we've got more volatility coming here on the daily time frame. I believe it was all the way up here. On the 240, we've got good volatility on the 240 and on the 60-minute good volatility, okay? We are calling a rotation, all right? Now, we do need some more buyers to come in here. In the yen pairs, but based on how we are moving, we should have a rotation. So we want buying in here, more buying coming here, selling coming here, right, in the dollar pairs. And if the euro pairs can get some selling, that's a bonus. But we would like to see buying coming here. Aussie Kiwi and yen pairs buying, right, buying coming here. Dollar pairs selling. And again, euro pairs, if we can get selling, that would be good in the euro pairs. We don't need it, right? But if that happens, that would be good. The Dow, guys, on the daily time frame looks really good here. All right, continue to move higher. Just remember our all-time highs right here. We don't have a buy signal yet, but boy, we are getting close to the all-time highs here on the Dow. Okay, so if we get a break to that resistance, all-time highs, we'll get a buy signal, and we're set up perfect for the quarter, first quarter, and for the next few months here. We set up really, really nice to keep moving higher, break resistance, guys. Okay, perfect setup here. All right, every time we sold off a bit, buyers came in, sold off, buyers came in, sold off, buyers came in, sold off, buyers came in, right? Even here, sold off, buyers came in, sold off, buyers are coming back in. All right, so we're still in the markup phase, reaccumulation. Okay, on the daily time frame, Dow on the weekly time frame looks good, guys. Buy signal here on the break of this resistance. Look at that, near all-time highs, just amazing on the Dow. Monthly time frame also, buy signal here, holding firm. All right, so no shorting, guys, no shorting. On the S&P, we do have a buy signal here on the break of this resistance. This is good markup phase, right? First trade here, reaccumulation, right? Reaccumulation here, new buy signal. New buyers keep coming into the market, pushing things higher. The S&P here, the S&P on the weekly time frame, same thing. Buy signal here, nice break, right at all-time highs territory, all right? S&P, that's good for our bull master trader, bull master pro trader. All right. Good for you guys. All right. All right. Those are large cap stocks, mega cap stocks. Okay. In that index. Same for the monthly time frame, S&P monthly time frame, buy signal here. Beautiful chart. Look at that, guys. They're holding that upward trend line. No red candles, no white candles, all green candles right at the high on the S&P for the month. Just an amazing price action. Okay, so try to stay with it. Okay, on the NASDAQ, we are breaking out. No buy signal yet on the daily time frame. We are getting close, though. We're breaking resistance right here at all-time high territory there. All right, on the NASDAQ, on the weekly time frame, holding right at all-time highs territory here. Buy signal here, holding firm. Just amazing price action, guys. We could not ask for a better environment for stocks right now. All right, on the monthly, now you guys, we know things change. Things can change quickly. But for right now, based on how things are moving, everything looks really good. Okay, on the NASDAQ monthly time frame, amazing. Look at that price action just walking up that trend line here. Nice and even here. All green candles, nothing to do there. Okay. On the Russell, on the daily time frame, Russell has been stubborn. You guys know that. Very choppy trading here. Buyers, we do have buyers here holding right at that resistance level here. Purple support and resistance. We just need to break through there. Okay. On the weekly time frame, same thing. Big resistance here going back all the way to 2021, 2022. Here we are, 2024 right here. Right here, 25, still at that resistance level, being stubborn, just needs to break through that resistance. Those are going to be small caps. So your stock boss, our stock boss traders, right, just be aware of that, okay? So trade lightly, trade accordingly. All right, on the monthly time frame, buy signal here, pull back a bit. Again, holding on the Russell, holding right at that resistance level. That's why we follow support and resistance, guys. We're going to wait until it really breaks through. All right, but you can add slowly. The VIX came down a bit. All right, the VIX for the month, I think 21 for the month. Now it's at 1485, so that's good. We're getting lower volatility, good in environment. Well, let's say a better environment for stocks right now. Okay, the Magnificent 7 stocks. Let's take a look quickly here. Meta, Facebook, breaking resistance, looks really good. Now, guys, I send out some shorts on some of these the Magnificent 7 stocks, right? They're breaking out. Okay, so they're definitely breaking out. So Facebook, so keep an eye on those Facebook guys right here. All right, Meta broke out. Right, on Friday, broke through that resistance. Good price action. We already have a buy signal in place on that. All right, the next one is Google right here. Right, buy signal here, breaking out. Near-term resistance is right here. We can move that up here. All right, so they are moving. All right, they're definitely moving here. Okay. All right, next one, Amazon. Amazon has a new buy signal here. All right, new buy signal here, breaking out on Amazon. Apple, nothing yet on Apple. It's just holding support here. Right, we'll need to see buyers come in. Microsoft, right at that resistance, a push higher, we'll get a buy signal on Microsoft. Tesla is holding right here, guys, right at that trend line. Tesla is holding with a white candle here. Keep an eye on Tesla. Tesla really should be moving higher based on the other Mag 7s. We have support here, so just keep an eye on Tesla. All right. So we have support. Let's call support here. Let's make that a round number. So 360 right here is support. Let's see if we can hold it. Right, 406 right now. Okay. NVIDIA is moving higher, guys. Okay, moving higher. Broke through that resistance here. We need to push. All right, so let's bring the high right here. We need to break through a bit of a pullback, but looks ready to hopefully break through that. Okay. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you guys remember we have a new buy signal on the daily time frame. It has retraced a bit. We'll keep an eye on that. Okay. It's not. Let's see here. Okay. Let's move this. This is confusing here. Okay. So Bitcoin right now on the daily time frame. Okay. On the daily time frame, I'm going to bring this rectangle in so that you guys can see this. So really from November, I know if we look at it, it looks like it's been going up, keeps going up, but it hasn't. It stopped. It has stopped going higher. So if we look right here, and let's bring this a bit higher. All right, so since November, let's see here. Yeah, November the 14th, guys, Bitcoin hasn't done anything on the daily time frame. All right, I know it made a move all the way up here to 108, 109, but since then, guys, it's stuck between this range here. All right, we're gonna lift this up so that you guys can see. Okay. So we do have a buy signal here, but right now it's stuck. So from November, December, January, 3 months so far. And I know we're still into January, getting out of it soon. But for 3 months, it's been stuck right here. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right. It will follow the equity markets. Or if you want to say equity markets will follow Bitcoin, that's fine. However, if equities move higher, Bitcoin will break to that resistance and move higher. That's how it's been traded. Okay, but just know for right now, from November, December, and now January, it hasn't done much. All right, it hasn't done much. Okay, on the weekly time frame on Bitcoin, a buy signal here. I'm just holding. So 102 is the price right now. Bonds, the LTL, just holding, nothing there. The dollar, you guys know the dollar, give a sell signal on the daily, nothing here on the weekly, okay? The yen is just holding right here. Crude oil, let's see, I'm missing my data there for crude oil. Silver is holding right here, okay? All right, let's go through current positions. And we send out several alerts. All right, let's see how they're doing. All right. Well, we were hoping that buyers would come in here, sellers would come in here. So they've opened up the market this evening on the other side. Let's go through these. Okay, so current positions in Monster Scalper. All right, so Aussie on the 60-minute time frame, guys. Aussie CAD buy signal here was holding fine. We got a red candle here, guys. Anytime we get a red candle, we got to close the trade. Okay, so Aussie CAD on the 60-minute. Let's remove that. All right, Aussie Swiss sell signal. So a buy signal was here on a break of this resistance right here. Broke support, sell signal, close the trade, please. Aussie Swiss. All right, Aussie dollar, buy signal here. I think we must have called it right up in here somewhere. Broke support, red candle, close the trade. Okay, so Aussie dollar. New Zealand CAD, buy signal here, that's still holding. New Zealand Swiss, buy signal here, still holding for now. All right, and New Zealand dollar, buy signal here on a break of this resistance here. Sell signal right here, close the trade, please. New Zealand dollar. SGD JPY, SGD JPY on the 60-minute time frame. Buy signal, let's move this down a bit. Buy signal here, retracing. All right, we'll need this to hold and then move higher. All right, but they're selling tonight. There's no data this evening. So there's no data in the Asian session. No data coming out tomorrow. We do have CPI on Tuesday, and then FOMC The Fed on Wednesday, but that's surprising. That the market's down. Forex is these yen pairs are down. So SGD JPY holding for now. All right, euro yen sell signal, red candle here. Let's close that. That's too bad. Pound yen buy signal here. That's holding for now. Pound CAD. Wow, gap down, guys. Close the trade. CAD yen. New Zealand yen, same thing. Gap down, right? Red candles, close the trade. So they're coming in heavy this evening. Aussie yen. Buy signal was here on Friday. Gap down this evening. All right, red candles here. Nothing we can do about that, guys. Close the trade, please. All right, so we have sellers coming in the yen pairs. All right. On the 250, the 250-minute time frame, it looks like we had a start of a rotation. But there, we'll see what that does for equities tomorrow. So the NASDAQ, wow, they keep selling it. 260 points down on the NASDAQ. I wonder what's going on. There's got to be something going on. All right. On the 240 Aussie Swiss, all right, buy signal here. Bit of a pullback, holding for now. Aussie dollar, buy signal here, holding for now. New Zealand CAD. All right, buy signal, sellers came in here, close the trade, please. New Zealand CAD. New Zealand Swiss, same thing. Buy signal here. All right, close the trade. Definitely not holding. New Zealand dollar, buy signal here. This one is holding a bit of a gap down here, holding firm. Good markdown phase. Right, here's your markup. SGD JPY, buy signal here, still holding. Yeah, that's a lot of, what time is it? 7:20. That's a big pullback, guys, for this time of the evening in the Asian market. Yeah, those are big moves. Euro yen holding. Pound yen. All right, buy signal here holding. Good markdown phase. Here's your markup. CAD yen. Red candle here. Let's close that. Aussie yen. Right, buy signal here. White candle here. Right, a lot of resistance here. Let's close that. Aussie yen. ZAR yen. All right, buy white candle here. ZAR yen. Resistance is here. So it's definitely failing. Look here. All right, here. Right, so close that. That's too bad there. All right, we do have two positions in Forex Dominator on the daily, and then we'll take a look at the shorts. Those are all longs. All right, dollar USD USD DKK sold, guys. So USD DKK, we talked about the dollar, guys. The dollar index is coming down. We did close several of the dollar pairs that were really beautiful trends. All right, USD DKK buy signal was here on a break of this resistance. Red candle broke support right here, guys. Broke support, red candle, sell signal. USD DKK closed that trade. Beautiful trade though. Look at that, guys. But that's done for now. Good trade. USD Swiss, dollar Swiss buy signal here. It is still holding, trying to bring in some buyers right now. Isn't that something? Look at that green candle right here. All right, dollar Swiss, we'll leave that for now. Good trade going here. Okay, I doubt it will break through that resistance, being the dollar index is moving lower. All right, so USD CHF, we'll leave that. for now. Okay. All right, shorts. We do have some shorts on the 240 with the dollar pairs, but they're retracing back up. Let's take a look. All right, USD MXN. All right, so short, buy to cover. Close the trade, please. USD MXN. Dollar ZAR, same thing. So short, buy to cover. USDN, okay. So short, buy to cover. USD PLN, all right. So short here, still holding red candles here. USD HUF, all right. USD HUF, 60-minute, so short here, still holding. Keep an eye on it, guys. If you get white candles, you might want to close it with this move that's happening now. All right, USD SEK, white candles coming in here, sell short signal here. I'll close that for now. USD DKK, white candle here, but red candles coming in. So sellers are coming in here, back in. That's good. We'll leave that for now. USD DKK. USD SGD, all right, red candles here. That's good. USD CNH, all right, that closed. Dollar Swiss, that also closed. Okay, so clean things up, guys. All right, that's amazing. They came in early this evening. All right, and there's no data out there to cause this. All right, on the 240, we do have some shorts also on the dollar pairs. Let's see if these are holding. Better. So we'll wait to add any alerts in Monster Scalper in Forex, guys. Okay, so let's see what happens here. If they continue to push the dollar pairs up, yen pairs down, okay. We can, let's try to find some footing first. Okay. Let's see here on the 240 USD MXN sell short signal is here. Still red candles here. Just keep an eye on it. USDN okay. All right, that's trading down nicely here. We need to get past support right here. USD HUF, sell short signal here, trading down nicely. We have support here. So it's right at that support level right there. You guys can see that there. Okay, so let's see if we can move further down. All red candles, purple support and resistance. Let's see if we can get further down here. Okay. USD HUF. Dollar CAD, close that trade there. Nothing here. USD SEK, all right, trading down nicely in the markdown phase. We do have support here. Looks like it's right at that support like the previous trade. So support is right here. Here we are, needs to break that. Support keep going lower. USD DKK, did I mention that? Buy so short here. I think it was right in here somewhere. Holding firm for now. And then dollar Swiss, so short here, white candle here. Let's close that trade. So it's finding support here. We got a white candle. You can see buyers come in, start moving higher, okay? So USD CHF. Okay, let's take another look at the dollar index. I mean, that's a clean sell signal. These dollar pairs, I tell you, they continue to do whatever they want to do. Just crazy. The dollar pairs and small caps, IWM, the Russell, they just keep doing their thing. Shorts on the Forex dominator, we do have one short USD PLN. All right, so short here, and for right now, it's still holding firm. The target is really a range trade, guys. The target is all the way down here, and hopefully we get lucky and it breaks through there. Okay. All righty. We do have some stock positions, equity positions. As I mentioned, guys, based on what's going on with Forex, we'll hold off, okay, on sending out any new alerts right now. Let's hope the rotation continues, right, in Forex. In Stock Boss, we did add some stocks in Stock Boss. I mean, equities were down. I don't think this is equities that's causing. Equities were down on Friday, but not in a big way. I mean, the Dow was only down 100 points. I mean, sometimes we'll see the market opens on Sunday, right, in the direction on how equities close on Friday. So if equities closed in a big way on Friday, right, we could see the Asian market starts buying and things start moving up, right, and vice versa. But wasn't a big down day. So I have no idea what's going on. Stocks, let's see, OSI. That's holding for right now in Stock Boss. A bit of a pullback though, but that's to be that's because of the down day on Friday. RES, a bit of a pullback here. TTI, buy signal here, holding, but a bit of a pullback. SUPV, nice trade holding there still. And MVST holding firm. So nothing to close in Stock Boss. And then Bullmaster, so large caps. We'll go through these quickly. We're looking for white candles or sell signals. Okay, white candles or sell signals. All right, a bit of a pullback. RH there. UNFI holding up nicely there. ARIS holding firm. AROC holding firm in Bullmaster. So we're Bullmaster traders, guys. Keep an eye on that. Now we're all over the place. We got financials, energy, a little bit of tech, but mainly energy. But energy is stalling right now. EQT holding firm. LGN, a bit of a pullback holding. NFG, that's holding firm there. PAA, that's holding. PAGP, holding nicely there. RRC, holding nicely. All those the chart looks really, for me, close together, right? SOC, all right, YPF gave a sell signal. Okay, so YPF, right, new down right here. Buy signal was right here at 24. Red candle broke support right here at 40.96, okay, in Bullmaster. So we've got to remove that. Okay, let's keep going. All right, that's holding. EQH holding there. FOUR, that's a new buy signal there. GGAL, that's holding. GS, guys, that's holding firm there. MS, new buy signal on a break of this resistance. Let me show you guys here. So MS, that's reaccumulation. Now we need equities to hold, these indexes to hold and move higher for these stocks to move higher, okay? So good markup phase, and it is breaking the high. I wouldn't call this resistance there. If you brought it down though, yeah, right here would be resistance. Broke resistance here, buy signal there, that's MS. All right, that's holding. V, look at V, guys. Bought here, sold here, would have gotten out here, got back in around in here. All right. I think we called it about right in here. Gapped up, red candle sell signal. And then here, our new buy signal is right here on the break of this resistance. All right. So buyers are coming in. Reaccumulation trade on the V. EAT, guys, good trade going there. Continuing to hold its trend line here. All right. I know it's slow in the making. All right. But it keeps moving higher. So that stock went from, this was back in what, September or so we called it. All right. Called it here, September, $70. Keeps moving higher, 149 there. Okay. CLS, another good one, right? Buy signal came in October, we called it there. And at $57, trading at 121, great trade there. Only a few left from back then, right? KD was a buy signal here, all right? Keeps moving higher here. And then Marvel, buy signal here, keeps moving higher for Marvel. Bullmaster Pro, we've added a few. All right, with fundamentals. Okay. All of these are new. Hold in, hold in, hold in. We just need these to hold, guys, right now. All right. We don't need any big moves. They move slowly, but in time, they keep moving higher. Right. IBKR, nice gap up after the buy signal. Look at that buy signal here. And then the next day, guys, after that buy signal came, look at that gap up there. All right. That buy signal was at 193, trading at 218. Good trade setting up there. Okay. All right. Moving higher there. All right. Buy signal SNEX. Good buy signal there. Moving higher. HAL, Amazon, right? We call Amazon, buy signal here, and we're breaking resistance here on Amazon. All right, right here, okay? In Bullmaster Pro, NVIDIA, nothing, guys. We talked about NVIDIA earlier. NVIDIA is stuck between a range here. So let's define that. All right, let's bring this like this. See, tight range here for NVIDIA. Nothing there, okay? Nothing there. Qualcomm, guys, buy signal here. We're looking to break through a pretty decent resistance here. All right, it actually goes all the way back here. Here was the previous buy signal on the break here. Here, it came in early on the break of this resistance right here. Near-term resistance right here. So we're looking to break through there. All right, and the last one, SEMR, buy signal here, right? It's breaking through nicely there. All right, so at least most of the stocks are holding. But that is really interesting. We've got selling early on Sunday. All right, let's see futures. Okay, Nasdaq still down to 260 points. That's 1.22%. That's a lot, guys, for the Nasdaq. All right, that's a lot. So don't know what's going on. Let's take a look at. I just want to run Heat Seeker for Stock Boss. And then we'll be done. Okay, so Stock Boss, guys. I don't have my symbols coming in here. All right, let's do Bullmaster Pro. Relative strength at new highs. We can't look at those. Those are all red. New highs. Let's see here. I think we're in that one, right? IBKR in Bullmaster Pro. Yeah, we're in that already. Let's see if we can find. All right, Bullmaster Pro will add COOP. All right, a buy signal here. I don't know if you guys can you guys see that? Okay, hold on. All right, so a buy signal here. All right, Bullmaster Pro, and on the daily time frame, right? On the daily time frame, look at buyers here on the daily, okay? So we'll add that COOP, Bullmaster Pro. That's a good setup there. It's breaking resistance here. Buy signal right here. That blue arrow there. ARIS. I think we're in. Yes, we're in that already. Okay, so we'll just add COOP. Take a quick look at Monster Scalper. We're not looking for any alerts though right now, guys, with Monster Scalper, okay? All right, so let's see on the 60-minute time frame. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, sellers are definitely coming in. Look at New Zealand yen on the 60, guys. Look at that. And they're coming in pretty heavy. Yeah, it failed. Failed right here. They're coming in heavy here. So we'll see what equity, how the market opens up tomorrow. Look at that. Euro yen. Yeah, look at that. Swiss yen. Yeah, not good. All right. Let's see here. Longs. Yeah. Dollar pairs. So that's interesting. The dollar pairs, it's not like they're trying to move higher. Yeah. So we'll see what happens overnight and into in equities tomorrow. Okay. All right. So guys, right now just trade lightly. Okay. I thought it looked like we might have a nice rotation in Forex, but it's definitely stalling here. So, and we haven't had a rotation in a while. Okay. We haven't had a rotation in a while, so that's too bad. That's too bad. Well, let's see what happens. Like I said, we have CPI coming in on Tuesday, and then we have the Fed is speaking on Wednesday. All right, so I don't think that's the case. Wednesday is too far away for sellers to come in Forex. I mean, early like this with no data. There's no data coming out in the Asian market. Do we have data coming out in the... No, we don't have any data coming out on Sunday. So today, tonight, tomorrow, no data. Okay, so just be aware of that. All right. All right, guys. I will see everyone on Tuesday. Remember to go into our community, school community, Monster Trading System, and just register free of charge. Okay. All right, guys. Take care. Have a good evening. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Take care. Hopefully we'll have better